This dua is for you. Yes, you watching right now. May Allah write this dua for you and accept it fully. Ameen. Bismillah. Ya Allah, grant the soul watching right now a peaceful, beautiful ending. Let their last breath be in peace. Their final words be La ilaha illallah. Let the angel of death come to them gently with a smile of mercy, not in pain, not in fear, but in full submission to you. Ya Allah, take them when you are pleased with them, not in sin, not in heedlessness, not far from you, but with their heart remembering you and their book filled with good. Make their graves spacious, full of light and serenity. Let it become a garden from the gardens of Jannah. Let them rest in peace until the day they meet you. Ya Rab, on the day of judgment, shade them under your throne. Let their face shine bright and their scale